Continuing the next part of the video in the flow 3D model. So after that, add a mesh plane on the wrist of the weir. So at this point, add a plane that is nothing but the crust of the weir. So for that, so here's mesh plane 1. Add. So select the point you want to add mesh plane by selecting the shift and click on it. Shift. Okay. After clicking the shift and the uh, right mouse, so the point gets selected at that point. Okay, so now you can see the violet color line. Okay, so we have successfully generated the mesh. So if you want, we can reduce the width of the mesh plane in the y-axis. So in the free flow problem, there is not much variation. There is not much variation in the lateral direction, so you can reduce that plane. So I will reduce the width of the plane in the y direction. So I will keep that plane to 1 meter width. So for that, so it is 10 meter width. So uh, I will make it 1 meter from the center line of the mesh plane. So for that, so now you can see. So the width of the mesh plane in the y direction is reduced to 1 meter now. Okay, so I have successfully generated the mesh here. So next is to applying the boundary conditions. So here it is, BC. So now move to X minimum. Select that S. So for free water surface problems, select specific pressure, take fluid elevation, that is nothing but the fluid flow elevation in the upstream. So I will take it as 27. So show the stagnation pressure here. So it is already checked. So check that. If it is unchecked, then check that. Check OK that stagnation pressure. Okay. Now move to X max. There is nothing but the downstream here X max. So X minimum is on upstream. Same here. Select specific pressure. Use fluid fraction to 0. So okay. Now move to Z max, Z max, same same as earlier. Select the specific pressure, check this technician pressure. Now, uh, now use the fluid elevation in the downstream. So I will assume the fluid elevation in downstream as 0. So that is okay. Thereafter, after successfully completing the boundary conditions, now move to initial condition, that is t equals 0. This icon,